Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Tangela and this is Tan Made. On this channel we do affordable DIY decor, lifestyles, and sometimes hauls. If you're new here, please consider subscribing to my channel. It's free. And hit the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. I want to say a heartfelt welcome to all my subscribers and I humbly appreciate the support. Now let the crafting begin. Okay, for this project, get yourself some foam dice. I got mine from the Dollar Tree. You'll need 9 of them. I removed them from the packaging. And then I painted all 9 of them all over with this Waverley chalk paint in the color Cashew. And yeah, I got it on sale at Walmart. So I painted everything up and I wanted to speed up the drying, of course. So I grabbed my heat tool and just kind of dried it very quickly. Then go ahead and pick up a game tray like the one you see here. Again, I got mine from Dollar Tree. I won't be using the game pieces for this project, but you may see them in a future one. After I open the game tray and remove the pieces, I took some brown shoe polish and I stained the entire tray except for the inside of the squares with this brown shoe polish, and it actually looks great as a stain. Then you want to grab you some peel and stick alphabet letters. And I grabbed probably a couple of packs because I needed the X's and O's. Then you're just going to place your letters on your dice. And then you're going to take your dice and put it into your tray. And here's how it turned out. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this project inspired you to do your own decor piece. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in your next video.